It was needless any day in Becca and Kohe video. No. They are 2 cabinet ministers. So, right?
Abuja from Mamu Nyama Kwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
That's why I keep saying that. No, Ninja, your journalist, you want better say you always attack people you are not supposed to attack. So if you care about those things, you are not a serious journalist. Oma me had any public me news report away. I report what you have said. I give you documents. So video na me here. Everything I read was what was posted by NDC people on social media. Me manufacture evidence on me demo ha. Video na me nti man na mu chade beto abonten. Ekopoko anim as a bomb gura no. Amode buy. So these things are enough evidence to show that there's an issue. You may toast it, you may fry it, you may do whatever you want to do. The NDC must be able to nip these things in the bud. And I was surprised because when they started, cyber security, Abrante Loko Isu Soja Navy sent bodyguard. He was suspended. And I felt that, I said, some seriousness be bem say appoint you diagram if you want I free for all. Kade a greater Germans acquire wiki or mudin at them social media. Shenya cry, will be encaso na the flood by. Ubi me mean casa because 1960 them the flood by not flood or so I'll be very, very stupid to blame Lindo Cluso or not the flood back. But wait, oh yeah, mammy. Region in a mammy no. Now Lindo Clue then why not cry best regional minister. Oh, the Buzan, we end this in the Lindo Clue, nim class, we end the NDC. Then why we on their best regional minister. What has she done? How is Imanoma Kofi the best minister? You could hear my Prince McKay ya was Uber sponsor 50,000. Now we do CSR company now an agency na sponsor. Now so be twea between 2015 to 25,000. And I'm not America. Dr. Pese White or a CEO for SEGA, State Interest and Governance Accountability. Baby, I don't want to be kind. Yame. Until my move some mini on or be kind or I'm a source or no CEOs no in na so some friend or so on pe or me twea scan or so on pe. And then yame because I was in San Omoye. Intina me say awards on say you just say to your award man prof on send the test unze me did be a farmer me send the test message me need our time. All these things shows that the chief of staff means why quiet because on also president and job so best step on toes is bad. It doesn't give a yibi. Send your mu LGBT award the mama reject and come back with it. You see, let the praises come from what Timemu for, or Ghana for, they were impacting their lives. But by 1 year, then why are the best regional minister with all these controversies? Then, interestingly, instead of people telling her the truth to her face, those who reported the news are rather the problem. Sure, some we have any able videos, ye be yesterday kakrakapa, make Kasani be Kasawa. Tell your mom, because my imagine some be geneti. News, you say you say you be bumuja. You be bumuja fucking. Why do you do all these things? To me, say the chief of staff must set up some of the appointees, Santa can be na yes style be. It be a disappointing. It be so ya dear. It be ya dear pana na me koku je to dear. Doing so well. Deputy Attorney General and the boss doing so well. Say cases in bear 4 and no be na minya update the brem. They are doing well. Maybe also no necessary attention when of them are buying. Give me view no. I don't know what to make of it. Feel free share in the comments section. We are not subscriber. Most subscriber not click on the notification. The video be at my home. No, it's my share. Make sure so be strong so you am me here. Ghana so here.
Crime and then a brayer. Onya position and the rubber fit the word and the name nweki. That is how they behave. And we have been a moyano. More officer president Mahama G0vernace. Ade, why are you doing this? Nipa no abeka oni fati bi ode back asem no okado but obeka. Oh, Anna, ato force na ye. Ato force ye no a oka so oni evidence o. Asem no oka no oni evidence. But na nia bre because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama e bia ato force that number 1. Enti mame nka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden. Ti mu ade mu ye mu hinti ye mamo. In a minute, the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amuwa abamu mate mu ho ase say there is a man called Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land. Ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamu. Someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make her say the power of our thumb. Tamuni mwa obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wani hwe ho ukọ ho enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic akrebi. President in what yakonya so cry chat no responding. I told our friend across and the minister see any appointees see oh friend say tieni as a business what we are seeing na ya dia so awo and attention hunu kwa no mo criticate amu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo and ya na ha me no and amu ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president. So president wo ho now what interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo. Supporters is crying to me hide it. Ebi wa ha come wo ma that could be out of any job beka. But it's like air overshadow a member na was a cost no. And people have relaxed. And no money am bring no money free no money do omope. Hey, massa.
Muzo ene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo ad Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de chire Ghana fa se me ba we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bit me kuburu or maybe leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. And the scan of Canada was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for for. Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, I'm most of my for. a comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho marketing men omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems mo so open ko nkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo si a kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de rajon dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no we former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or say asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda and nam one yes na che say was in ukura dwiri ni say state institution we are intelligent institution who need intel
ayeka bro
say problem ni nyina say
economy no nkwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as maintain one ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really the tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my